Welcome to another video brought to you by St. Robert's Retro Rams, Team 4001. In this video, we will be looking at setting up a new project in LabVIEW for our FRC robot. First, open up LabVIEW. Now, under New, you should see 4 options: Blank VI, FRC cRIO Robot Project, FRC Dashboard Project, and more. We will click FRC cRIO Robot Project. Now, give your robot project a name. For convenience, I will name ours Tutorial 1. In Project Folder, it specifies what folder you want to save your project in. For me, I will do it in default under your name, documents, LabVIEW data, and then your project name. Now, cRIO IP address. This is where you put in your team number. For St. Robert Retro Rams, we're 4001. So for XX, we put the first 2 numbers, 4000. And for YY, we can skip the 0 and just put 1. However, if we were team 4011, we would have to put 4011. And if we were team 4021, we would put 4021. Okay, now once you're done, select Finish. LabVIEW will now start building your basic project. Once that's done, you should get a Project Explorer similar to this one. Ensure that your RT Compact Rio target has the IP of 2 numbers, dot, the first 2 numbers of your team name, dot, the next 2 numbers of your team name, similar to the IP address you just configured, dot, another number. Now, in the next video, we will explore some of the VIs that are featured in this Project Explorer. I hope you enjoyed this video, brought to you by St. Robert's Retro Rams, Team 4001. Thank you. Enjoy.